Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is catastrophe. Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Catastrophe causes great damage and suffering, a disaster, a tsunami, earthquake, hurricane. The antonym is a blessing or benefit.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Accident, tragedy, hardship.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Peace, miracle, joy.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the cat sit on the computer? Because he wanted to keep an eye on the mouse and avoid a catastrophe. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
The flood last year was a terrible catastrophe in which many people died.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
And the reason I love this because it will help me with my vocabulary, and if I have tests, I will know the definitions because Miss Katerina helps me, and she is inspiring, and maybe when other people grow up, they can maybe do things like Miss Katerina.
Singable Words.